Ever pondered the intricacies of the human brain and how it seamlessly processes the countless sensory inputs we experience every moment of every day? Welcome, dear enthusiasts of the mind and its miracles, to this exploration of sensory integration. The process begins with sensory receptors, specialized cells found throughout the body which detect information from the environment. These receptors are like the frontline soldiers in an army, gathering data from the battlefield of life. They respond to various forms of stimuli, such as light, sound, heat, pressure, and chemical changes, converting these into electrical signals. The journey continues as these electrical signals travel via nerve fibers to the spinal cord, the superhighway of the nervous system, and then onto the brain. The brain, a marvel of biological engineering, receives these signals in different areas, dedicated to each type of sensory information. For instance, the occipital lobe at the back of the brain processes visual information, while the temporal lobes on the sides handle auditory data. The parietal lobe, located near the top of the head, interprets touch, temperature, and pain. Meanwhile, the olfactory bulbs tucked under the frontal lobe decode smells, and the gustatory cortex situated in both the frontal and parietal lobes processes taste. But the magic happens in the association areas of the brain, where the information from different senses is integrated and interpreted. This is where the brain performs its symphony, orchestrating the various sensory inputs into a cohesive perception of the world. For example, as you bite into a ripe, juicy apple, your brain simultaneously processes the sweet taste, the crisp sound, the firm texture, the fresh smell, and the vibrant color of the apple. This multisensory integration results in a rich and vivid experience. This process is so fast and efficient that we are often not aware of it. Yet, without sensory integration, our perception of the world would be a disjointed jumble of unrelated inputs. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that the different instruments play in harmony to create a beautiful symphony. To summarize, sensory integration is a complex process that starts with sensory receptors detecting stimuli from the environment. These stimuli are converted into electrical signals, which travel to specific areas of the brain that process each type of sensory information. The association areas of the brain then integrate and interpret these inputs, creating a unified perception of the world. So, the next time you enjoy a beautiful sunset or savor a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work your brain is doing behind the scenes, orchestrating a symphony of senses that allows you to experience the world in all its richness and complexity. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey into the workings of the human brain. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.